Hi, this video is to tell you about the GMAT Quant syllabus. So if you look at GMAT Quant, GMAT basically is three parts. One is Quant, verbal and data insights. Normally for quantitative you have 21 questions 45 minutes, for verbal you have 23 questions 45 minutes, and for data insights 20 questions 45 minutes. So if you look at overall 64 questions 2 hour 50 minutes. You have one optional break which you can take between sections for 10 minutes. So if you take a break, it will go to 2 hours 25 minutes. That's the time limit as far as the exam is concerned, focus edition. Now, if you look at the QR section, the Quant section, basically broken up into arithmetic and algebra. No geometry. Geometry was there removed, so now it's just arithmetic and algebra. So main topics are number properties which are there. Then your other topics, fractions, decimals, which are based on all number properties, averages, ratio, proportion, time, field, distance, all arithmetic topics. Time and work, mixtures and allocations, interest, and probability set here. Same way, algebra mainly, normal expression, algebraic equation, your quadratic equation which you're looking at, inequalities, PNC, progressions which are there, statistics, and so people who are looking for CAT preparation, statistics is sort of a new topic which is there. So you need to focus on that. Exponent functions. So these are the areas that you need to prepare for as far as algebra and arithmetic are concerned. So source official guide is good thing to start with. Look at the official guide. You can also look at Manhattan GMAT guide. As a matter of fact, if you go to the GMAT Club website, you'll get a lot of questions to practice at different levels. I think that is a good source to practice. Apart from that, test series, practice questions, and GMAT coaching. We do take class for GMAT. Interested, you can contact us. But yes, all these areas is what you can prepare for as far as GMAT is concerned. Right? We'll come up with more videos to help you on GMAT. Interested to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.